The dancers in Class A have already built a strong awareness of placement. They understand how to feel their alignment, when it is correct or incorrect, and they've begun to strengthen and use their muscles in a more functional way. Now, the focus shifts to coordination, bringing the whole body together as one instrument. Many don't realize just how much the harmony between the upper and lower body affects the dancing, whether it limits you or lets you flow. Through channeling the dancers with new combinations and musical phrasing, we learn to find flow, to move with the music without breaking it by using dynamic energy to make every step feel effortless and alive. This class challenges them to integrate all the elements they've learned so far. For the dancer, awareness makes the process become more internal. Each dancer begins to question and discover. How far can I push and still stay balanced? Where am I in space? Is my port-de-bras helping me? What changed when this worked, or didn't? Under the careful guidance of our teachers, we have started becoming collaborators in our own progress, taking ownership of our artistry and our bodies inside and out. It's in this process of awareness, coordination, and curiosity that we can begin to reach new levels of both technique and expression. Here, at Ballet Del'Art, we grow not only as dancers, but as artists, and as a collective. Right now, we have 2 ballet classes, each with a different focus designed to give our dancers more specialized training based on their individual needs. Smaller groups mean our teachers can truly take the time with each student, offering hands-on adjustments, detailed explanations, and helping each dancer feel what correct placement really is. Awareness of ourselves, our bodies in space, and of our movement is critical to a dancer's growth. Every correction, every exercise begins with awareness.